Hi, my name is Devin Senatiempo. This is my second submission for my final project for ECEN160, my 4-bit microprocessor. You can see I have the correct output on the ASCII display over here. My clock is running at 16 hertz. First component is a binary counter, 8-bit binary counter. It counts from 0 to 255. Next we have my PROM, which is an 8-bit 8-address PROM, so it has room for 256 instructions. It sends those instructions to the decoder, 4 of the bits to the decoder, 4 of the bits as one of the inputs to the multiplexer. The other input to the multiplexer is the output of the ALU. And depending on what the instructions say, the multiplexer sends as its output one of those two inputs to the 2-word register. Now I made a change on my 2-word register from my first submission. The register is still made up of 2 4-bit registers, and the 4-bit registers are made up of 4 1-bit registers. Before I had 4 just gated D flip-flops, and here is the 1-bit register, which follows the design in the book. The register has 2 outputs, and those outputs either go to the display or they go into the ALU, depending on what the instruction decoder says. The ALU, I made another change to the ALU from my original submission. The ALU still made up of the exclusive OR and the OR, and now I have, instead of an adder, I have a adder subtractor. The adder subtractor has a subtract toggle switch going into it. The subtractor adder is just like the adder, except for it has these 4 exclusive OR gates in front of one of the inputs connected to the enable, which inverts one of the inputs, and then this wire here adds 1 to the sum as well to allow it to do the 2's complement, where you invert one of the inputs and then add 1 to it. And that is my final submission. Hope you enjoy.